I'm in poco love with some Hennessy. You know I like it when you're mad at me. I know you with him, pero ven aquí. I know you with him, but you calling me. I'm in poco love with some Hennessy. You know I like it.
Hey my babies, it's Cheryl and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a one brand tutorial face. Well, semi one brand. Majority of the things that I used were all by Maybelline, but some were not. But that's okay. I'll just link them down below, but I do not include them in the video. I must say, putting everything on firsthand, I was not excited. I was not happy. I was not loving it at all. But once it all came together in the end, it really does look pretty nice and I like it. It gives me a nice dewy, glowy, like the blush. I did not like it when I first put it on, but it's so like iridescent. It gives this rosiness to my cheeks. I just love it so much. It's just a matte ink lipstick by Maybelline. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it so much. My eyebrows, everything, you'll see everything in this tutorial, so let me stop blabbing about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and share it as well. This face, to me, I've been looking for something that is summertime appropriate, excuse me, sorry, Texas summertime appropriate, and this face is literally giving it to me. So if you babies want to see how I achieve this face, because I'm serving it, go ahead and stay tuned. Bye. See you in my next video. I'm sorry if you hear my fan. It's a little hot in here, so I got my fan on. But I went to Walgreens and I picked up some new things because I want a new face for the summertime. I don't want a lot of makeup on my face. Let me put some Carmex on because my lips feel really dry. But like I was saying, I don't want a lot of makeup on my face. I want something light and airy and fresh because down here in Texas, I don't know if y'all is from Texas or if you know somebody from Texas, but it is hot and it is humid. And it is humid and it is hot. So, yeah, with that being shared, I'm drawing my point out. So, I forgot about these lashes. I picked up a lot of new Maybelline things. Hopefully this stuff looks good. Oh wow, and I did my eyebrows, but I had a Brow Precise eyebrow pencil. Damn. And I had tried something new on my brows today and they look really nice. And this is in deep brown. So I guess I'll wipe these eyebrows off. Okay, bare face and beautiful. I'll zoom in a little bit so we can get started on these brows. Okay, so I picked up the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil in the shade 260 Deep Brown. I believe that this is the darkest shade that they have for this. And let's see how it does on the brows. So this is what the pencil looks like when you get it. Your standard eyebrow pencil. You get quite a bit of product like you would in most eyebrow pencils. This is about how much you get. It's like the top's a little broken, so let me drop that back down. So let's see. Actually, this is not by Maybelline, but I do need to tame my brows because they're all over the place. So let's try it out. It's looking a little choppy on the ends. I'm not too sure why. Like the product isn't mixing well. I'm just gonna go in. Now I'm filling it in. Okay, I mean that looks good. Take a spoolie and I'm gonna brush it. I mean, it's nice. Also pick up the concealer in the shade 30 Cafe. That's what it looks like. So that's what I'm gonna carve my brows with. The color is definitely brighter than what I would go for. Alright, so these are the brows. I mean, they're okay. I actually was looking for the brow drama, like the tube, like the eyebrow stuff that comes like in a mascara looking tube thing. That's what I really wanted, but everywhere I went was sold out. Okay, so I just sprayed primer, refreshener on my face. I'm not gonna tell you who it's by because it's not by Maybelline. And we're gonna go in with the foundation. Now I picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Balance Foundation, the stick foundation. I had no idea that Maybelline even had a stick foundation. This is a plus. And I also picked up the Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse in the shade Caramel, Dark number 2. But I think I'm gonna go in with the stick foundation. I want to see what that's about. So I picked up these two, but I'm gonna go in with this one. Let's see. Oh, and I got the shade 355 Coconut, and this is the darkest shade that they had. So it gives you about so much product, which is cool, sufficient. So let's go ahead and put it on. Well, I have the nastiest pimple right here on my chin. I wonder how I'm supposed to blend this out. I've never used this stick foundation ever in my life. I don't even know if I put on too much. Whoa, I'm looking kind of crazy. I don't know if I should use my sponge or if I should use a brush, like a buffing brush. Let's try with the Real Technique Beauty Sponge first, and then we'll go from there. It doesn't even say what type of coverage it is. No, it doesn't. It doesn't say what type of coverage it is, but it's very soft. good everyday coverage, because I don't be wanting a lot on my face. I've been this Texas weather, but there are some places where I could use a little bit more coverage. Okay. All right. So you can build it. It's light to medium coverage. I think you can only build it up to about a medium coverage. Not a full coverage foundation, but that's okay, because who wants all that on their face when it's hot and humid outside? I don't know. It seems to be full coverage. I may have to take that back. I might just have to take that back as far as full coverage, because I have some pimples right here that left some really bad black marks. And gave me the coverage. The color payoff's pretty good. Yeah, I must say so myself. So now I'm gonna go in with the concealer in Cafe. Oh my goodness. Definitely creamy. Probably shouldn't have did that on my chin, seeing that I don't want any attention to it, because it's really going through something right now. The concealer's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and set my concealer. Now I'm gonna go in and set my foundation with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Deep, number 35. This was, I believe, the darkest shade for the setting powder that they had. I'm gonna go ahead and with this. And I'm just gonna pat. Oh, that looked a little away when I put that on. Hope this is flash proof. So far so good. I just feel like I could have went a little darker with my products. Okay, now I'm gonna contour, I'm gonna bronze and contour my face, and I'll be right back. So I applied my contour, wing liner, and lashes. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with blush. I also picked up a blush from Maybelline, and it's in the shade 15 Nude. This is what it looks like. It actually has a little shimmer on it. which is new. So, and I sat there, is this a blush or is this a highlight? Because it's totally glowing like a highlight. Oh no, baby, what is you doing? It's not really picking up. No. And this is the darkest shade in these blushes. Not a fan of that. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my highlight as well. Now we're gonna go in with some lip combos. I got the Maybelline Color Sensational Precise Lip Liner in the shade 40 Raisin. So this is what it looks like. And then I backdoored and I got the Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in the color 70 Amazonian. So that looks really cute. And I thought Raisin and Amazonian together would be bomb. So let's see. Oh, it's a whole lot redder than what I normally go for. I will say that. This is not what I was thinking when it says Raisin. And it does have glitter in it. It does have like little specks of glitter. I believe that's doing a little much. This isn't what comes, this color isn't what comes to mind. The color's beautiful, but it's not what comes to mind when I think of Raisin. Not at all. Raisin, I was thinking more of like a deep plummy color. Not even like a deep plummy color, but a plummy color. Now I'm gonna go in with Amazonian. The applicator is a little weird. Smells delicious.